Hello, welcome to Magnet Brains. Today we are going to start with our grammar portion. It's not a lot of grammar, but we will be looking upon small, very important topics. Okay, we have completed our literature portion. So we shall be learning or doing our activities from Grammar Plus. Okay, right? So let's look at the topics that we are going to cover. First one is noun. I hope you all of you know what is a noun, right? So in this activity, we will be looking upon some fill in the blanks or match the columns with which you can get a better idea of noun, right? Then we have verbs and we will be including is, am, are, has and have. We will be seeing where these verbs are used, right? Next is articles, the most easiest form of grammar, right? A and the. Then we have adjectives, and in adjectives we will also be looking upon some opposites. Moving on to next, we have adverbs, right? Prepositions, conjunctions, and we have two activities also, right? So in the activity, we will be doing letters, formal and informal. You remember in our literature portion, we had a poem, mailbox, and we have written a letter in it. Mailbox poem में हमने एक poem letter लिखा था ना मम्मी पापा को. Just like that, यहाँ पे हम लोग दो type of letters करेंगे. एक जो आप आपके friends को लिखते हो, and दूसरा जो आप school में, offices में मतलब officially use करते हो, formal and informal. And last we have composition. What's a composition? Composition मतलब आपको एक छोटा सा पैराग्राफ, एक छोटा सा पोएम बनाना पड़ेगा. आपके पास एक पिक्चर होगी या फिर आपके पास कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स होंगे, वर्ड्स होंगे, आपको उनको मिला के एक स्टोरी, एक पैराग्राफ, एक छोटा सा आर्टिकल लिखना है. ठीक है? Isn't it easy? So we will be working on these topics with some match the columns, some fill in the blanks and some activities. I hope you all are very interested and very excited to start this journey, right? Till we meet next, bye bye.